Good news for iPhone lovers. iPhone manufacturer company Apple is working on iPhone 17 series, and it will be launched worldwide in a few days. But even before the launch, leaks and rumors about this new series are continuously appearing on the internet. It is being said about iPhone 17 Pro Max that it can be introduced with a new and updated design. And it is also going to have the most powerful processor till date. Let us know what upgrades and features are going to be available in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start. Design of iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to leaks, it has been confirmed that Apple is now planning a makeover. The frames of the iPhone 17 series were recently leaked on Weibo, which reveals that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a large horizontal layout at the top for the camera sensor. This smartphone is also likely to use aluminum body instead of titanium body, in which there is also talk of replacing the glass rear panel in some areas of the back panel. And 17 Pro Max will also get a small dynamic island, which provides more screen area. Talking about the rear camera design, the photo shows that ultra-narrow bezels will be available in the front display. According to leaks, iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch ProMotion display, whose refresh rate is going to be 120 Hz. Camera setup. Triple camera setup is going to be available in iPhone 17 Pro Max, whose primary camera will be 48-megapixel wide-angle, second, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and third 48-megapixel telephoto sensor. And for selfie, a 24-megapixel camera will be available in the front. Processor. Apple is going to get a new upgraded processor in iPhone 17 Pro Max. The 17 Pro Max is going to get a 19 Pro chipset, along with Apple Intelligence, which is going to come with 3nm second-generation chipset. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, the price of its starting variant can be $950. And if we talk about the launch date, then it will be introduced in September 2025.